So now I have the paper on which I'm going to stick my newspaper. I'm going to make my collage in this. I have this newspaper with me. I'm going to cut them out, I'm going to tear them into smaller pieces. Don't tear them into very small pieces, or else you will have a very difficult time sticking them. Okay, so make them fairly tear them fairly big where you can stick them comfortably. Okay, now I have this big is also will do. If you want to tear it into half, that's also fine. So this is ready. Now what I have done here is I have taken Fevicol and I have mixed it in water, little bit water. Okay, and I'm using a brush. If you don't have a brush, you can also use your fingers to do this. You don't need a brush for this, but I have a brush, that is why I'm going to use the brush. I have placed an old newspaper so that my table doesn't get spoiled. I will first apply glue on one side and then stick my newspaper like that, and I'm going to cover my entire paper with this newspaper. Okay, I'll fast forward it so that you can see how it looks after it's done. So I have finished sticking the newspaper that I tore out. I have, as you can see, I have not pasted them very neatly. I have just pasted them however I liked. So you have to now let this dry properly before we start making our beautiful collage. Now this I'm going to keep aside, and I will start making the flowers out of the colorful cuttings that I have taken out from the magazine. So these are the cuttings. Now there are different ways to do it, but we are going to make it the easy way. So what we are going to do is we are going to draw flowers directly on the paper and then cut them. So today we'll make tulip flowers. So if you remember, we have learned how to draw tulips, right? So I'll just draw a small tulip on the color that I want the tulip to be. Now you can use any color, whatever you have found from the old newspaper or the magazine. So I will start with drawing on the yellow one. For you, I'm going to draw with a marker so that you can see what I'm drawing, but at home when you want to draw and cut, you can use a pencil. Okay, so now I am going to cut similar ones in all the colors, and you can also make them big, small, different sizes. You could also make different flowers. If you don't want to make tulips, you can make any other flower you want. I finished drawing the tulips, and also I have drawn a few tulip buds. Now I will cut them. Okay, I'll cut them and I'll get back to you. So I have finished cutting the tulips. You can see some of it still has some print on it, but that is absolutely fine. And I have also cut a few buds. Now I will cut the stem of the flower and also the leaves. Now for the stem, this strip I'm going to use for the stem. You can tear them thinner, or you can use a scissor also to make them smooth, like how we have cut the flower. So what I'll do is I'll just cut the stem out of these strips that I have. Okay, so I'll cut a few more strips, and from this light color, lighter green that I have, I will make leaves. Now for the leaves also I'm going to do the same thing. I am going to draw the leaves first and then I will cut. Okay, so children, I have my leaves ready, I have my stems ready, I have my flowers, colorful flowers also ready, nicely cut. Now before directly pasting, I am going to place all of my cuttings here and see how they are going to look, and then once I am happy with how they look, I will stick them one at a time. So let's start placing. So after placing all of them like that, I am going to stick it one at a time. So how I'm going to do that? I'm going to take a little glue, put it on the flower on the back and stick it. Same thing with the stem, very little glue and one at a time I'm going to stick all the elements of my collage. So I will quickly finish this and I will show you how it will look in the end. So children, after sticking all the leaves, flowers and stems, this is how my collage looks. I have also made small butterflies because I found a beautiful purple color in those magazines. So I have made beautiful butterflies and I have stuck them here. You can make whatever you like. You can make different kinds of flowers, you can make animals, you can make scenery, whatever you like. With whatever color you find, you can think of something looking at that color and you can make your collage. So children, I hope you have enjoyed collage making. Thank you.